sailing close haulage. We left Norwegian coast like 12 hours ago. So we are heading to north of Shetland Islands. That is our goal. We're gonna be there to early tomorrow morning, if it goes like it does now. And the sea conditions is starting to get a little bit rougher, but so far it's fine. It's great to be on the way to the States. Of course, it's a lot of new things for many in the crew, and some seasickness and so. That is normal the first 48 hours or something. So that's nothing.
We've all been working very hard. We stretched the rig throughout the night. It was a bit too loose. I was called up from watch several times. So myself, I'm running on just maybe 2 hours of solid sleep. In between that, it was being woken up. And we're well over a day into our trip, and one of the first shroud on the starboard side had parted aloft just near the collar, I believe. We haven't really inspected it yet, but they rigged a temporary shroud with the Burton-like tackle that we have in the rig, just to sort of take the pressure off, and then we head downwind towards Shetland. So we're just about into Lerwik now, and we're going to try to do repairs. The repairs are going to be, I mean, it's just one half of a shroud that parted. It's the forwardmost, and but in order to replace that shroud, we're probably going to have to step the mast. And during the Viking times, that would probably be a little bit easier than today. But now we have all this electronic equipment up there in the top of the mast, and it runs all the way down the backstay, and we have to have an electrician to uncouple that. We'll pull the mast off with a crane and take it ashore, and then have to take the whole rig off, because the first shroud is the lowest one down. It takes most of the pressure when the ship is rolling really hard.
Yeah.